Hey guys, it's me Ellie, and today I'm just going to be playing with this Whoopie Putty with you guys today, so I hope you like it. Yeah, so I haven't recorded yet on this channel, but yeah, that's why I'm doing this more video now. So, it's not that stretchy. Then you do, when you play with it and then you put it back in the container, it makes a big noise. So here's the size of it. Kind of dirty because it dropped on my floor. Yeah, I got it Casey when we were hanging out. But then she decided to leave me out on the little cave, so that's fine, I guess. So, now this video is random, but didn't know what to do, so I got this from Aunt Alice with Casey. I'm scared she's gonna fly somewhere. Like that. Like, at times it can be stretchy when it wants to be. Like a weird texture. So, I know this is a random video, but hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to become a member of the Girl Squad. Love you guys so much. Bye!